coming back at you with another video tutorial. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add animations and transitions in a Google slideshow. And so I'm going to show you how to do this, and there's an activity that you're going to do to show me that you can do this as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to get rid of this. And then I'm going to put my name in here just for the fun of it. Okay. And so what I want to do is I want to add in a shape. So I'm going to insert a shape, and I'll just use a Pac-Man. All right, there's a little Pac-Man, or whatever that's called. I'll make it yellow. Okay. And what I want to do is when I start my slide, I want this shape to start off the side of the screen and move over here. Okay, it's called animation. All right, so how do I do that? Well, I click this here, and up here on top you're going to see a little button that says animate. I'm going to click that animate button. Okay, now over on the right you're going to see object animations, and you have this menu right here. Okay, so right now it says up here, what I want to do is I want it to fly in from the left. And I want to do that when I click my slide, so on click. All right, there's other options as well. All right, but I want to do it on click for this activity. And then I want to test it by clicking the play button. So I'm going to click the play button, and right now you'll see my name, and then when I click, there comes my animation. Okay, you can adjust the speed at which it goes. I can make it go slower or faster or medium, however long you want to take it. I'll make it go a little slower. I'll hit play, and when I click, here it comes. Okay, it's a little too slow, but you get the idea, okay? Now, let's say I want this to come in, and then when I want my name to go down here, okay, I can add in an extra animation. So right here, when I click on the shape, it'll say fly in from left. What if I want to do something with this? Well, I'm going to add an animation by clicking here, okay? And so maybe when I click again, I want it to fly out to the bottom. I want it to go away, okay? And I'll say it on click as well. So I'll test out my animation. So there's my name. Here comes my shape sliding in, and I'm click one more time, and there goes my name. So you can add in as many animations as you want. You would have to add a new one for each shape, okay? One other thing I want to show you is I'm going to make a new slide. Okay, and I'll just type in here something like, this is a new slide. You're fine. This is a new slide, and I'm making a video, by the way, but you're fine. Look at this. Okay, so what I want to do now is when I go from this slide to this slide, I can add in something called a transition to make it look a little fancier. So like right now, if I play my slideshow, there comes my animation. Okay, there that goes. And now I click again, and it goes to the next one. This is the new slide. But I want to make it do something fancier than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a slide transition over here. And I'm going to say, you can see the different ones. So I'll use cube, because that's sort of fun, right? And I'll apply this to all slides, all right? So that means it'll do that for all of them. So I'm going to start my animation, or start my thing again. I click it. Here comes my shape, and then watch when I click it again, that goes away. And like one more time. Look at that. That was cool. All right. So that is how you do it. And enjoy.